Hey guys, it's your boy Michael with H&M Reloaded. That's our new name, H&M Reloaded. And today we're gonna revisit the swinging refrigerator door. We got this refrigerator probably well over a year ago, and we were having the little problem of the door swinging out of your hand and banging into the wall behind it really hard. And this is like a $2,000 refrigerator. Okay, so you pull it out and it actually opens up and bangs into the wall. Well, I made a little gadget. Some people liked it, some people did not. Okay, and yeah, you attach it with the bungee cord. Okay, we're gonna take it off because the bungee cord did get a little bit weaker through all the stretching, you know. In a sec. See, took it off. Take it off. See? And these were actually, these actually turn, see? These are on there good. See? And you put these, you could crazy glue them. I mean, it comes off if you really needed it to. See, I thought these were magnetic at first, but they're not. So I crazy glued them on there. And you put them in an inconspicuous spot so you can't see it. When you're opening up the refrigerator door, you really can't even see it. I'll show you later. But yeah, I want to show you exactly what happened. You see how the bungee cord got very thin up there. So a couple more times of the refrigerator door opening, closing, stretching. See, when this stretches, it's constantly stretching, constantly stretching. I'll show you in a minute. This was the one we had before. And as you notice, see? And you can use a thicker one, but I don't recommend that. You want to use basically a really thin one. Because this one, the more it stretches when you open the door and closes, it's going to probably pull that little swivel metal magnet around, you know? It's going to pull it off probably, like eventually. But yeah, so you don't want to really use a real thick bungee cord. You want to use a thin one, okay? Now, since this is breaking, what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to pull this out a little bit. And here's what we're going to do. You see how this little thing is right here? See it? We're going to cut that off. Right where, just before the break. Okay? See, there it is. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to make a little knot here. Because also keep in mind, guys, that it's been well over a year, like I said, with this. Well over a year. Okay. See, I just make a knot on the end here. See how I made a knot? Make a knot. There you go. See it? It's good as new. See how see it? Okay, that's all you do. And see, this is going to continually stretch, close, stretch, close, stretch, close when you open the door. Stretch, close. So naturally, the bungee cord is going to get frail eventually. So always keep an eye for that. Because one day you're going to open the door and the bungee cord might snap. Okay, so yeah. We are going to get some new bungee cords this size. I don't have any more left. I do have these, you know, but these are very thick, very thick. And like I said, I don't recommend using these because it'll pull the metal swivel off the door. You know, the gadget that's holding it. And I don't recommend that. And if you want, you could take a little flame, just singe everything, you know, we'll singe everything together, you know, just so it's harder to come off, you know. And the same thing here. See how see it? All right, there we go. Just singe it a little bit, just so it's harder to, see it? All right, let's go to the fridge. With the cord not there, watch. See how it smacks into the wall? Say hi, buddy. Okay, see? The minute you open it up, watch. Open it up. I don't want it to break anything, but it's going to hit the wall. See? Yeah, that's what we don't want. That's what we don't want. Okay, now, here we go. We're going to just put this in. And you may have to trim this bungee cord a little bit. You may have to trim it. Just put this in the hole. See it? Put it in the hole. And we're going to close it. Hang on a sec. Give me a second. Here, we're going to close it up. Just so. See how it is? Okay, give me a second. See how I closed it up? Okay, see how I closed it up? Right there. So it can't fall off by mistake. Now what you do is you put this other half on this side. Okay? You're gonna have to close the door a little bit here. Okay, see how I put it on this side now? See it? Now again, I'm gonna close it. Okay. Okay, see how I closed it on this side too? See it? I closed the hoop up a little bit, see it? All right, now let's see what happens when we open it up. Opens it up, and it closes automatically. You know, that's with the stretching force of the bungee cord. See, you open it up, see how it, see, I'm not pushing that, guys, it's automatically doing that, watch. See? See how it closes by itself with the bungee cord? And yeah, see, it's an inconspicuous spot. You can't even really see it, see it? You can't even see it without really going inside and looking on the corner, see it? Yeah, it's my little gadget. This is just to alleviate the swinging door thing, you know? Because that's been a problem for a while with people. See, watch, there it goes. It didn't swing all the way open, now it's closing automatically. Yeah, and yeah, guys, this is not the ideal way to do things, but unfortunately, when you buy a $2,000 refrigerator, and you call up the manufacturer to say, guys, the door is swinging violently and hitting the wall behind it. Well, did you try to adjust the wheels on the door? Yes, we adjusted the wheels down there. We adjusted the door. You know, it was still doing it. And then many people, I mean, I have almost 10,000 views on this, but on the old refrigerator swinging door video. And most people say they have the same exact problem with their refrigerator. So yeah, guys, watch. Open it up. It's not closing. I mean, it's not swinging open, and it closes by itself. See? In action. Boom. See it? Again. See? In action. The bungee. See it? And eventually, guys, this bungee cord will stretch out of shape. It will stretch out of shape, and you're going to have to replace it. You know, I mean, this took a good 14, 15 months for the bungee cord to frail. See what? See it? Boom. You know, open it up nicely, and it closes automatically. That was not by design. That just happened. The bungee cord opening and closing in action. See? See? You open it up, stretches. See? Common sense. You know, it's just going to stretch and close. See it? Really squeeze these together. It just gives the bungee cord no way to back out of here. You know what I'm saying? No way. See? Yeah. Like I said, these things right here, they're magnetic swivels. See? Let me show you. How they swivel. See it? Yeah. Same thing here, they swivel, and I just crazy glued them onto here. And yeah, and after a year and a half, it's pretty sturdy, guys. I mean, of this constantly opening and closing, opening and closing, opening and closing, it's never come off yet. Those metal swivels have never snapped off yet, never. And they're only held on by a little crazy glue. I literally put about 5 or 6 drops on each side. See it? I mean, it's not perfect, but whatever. It's on there good, though. And yeah, I didn't want to have to do it this way, but unfortunately, the manufacturer said there's nothing they could do about it. So I have to grin and bear it, or figure a way to do something. And there's other videos online where they actually show you how to put a paper clip up there in this little area. So when it opens and closes, it catches on the paper clip and it doesn't go all the way back the door. You know? But you know, a lot of people say that method doesn't really work that great. It works, but not great. But this one, you know, I did this video, the original video, about a year and a half ago. And yeah, I was kind of surprised at the results. There you go. Door open, door closes automatically, which was not by design, like I said. That's a bonus. But yeah, so now when you open the door, you can just hold it behind you, you know, and then let go. and the door closes. See that? Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's one way to fix it. I mean, you know, it's a temporary fix, not permanent. It's a temporary fix. And like I said, it's in an inconspicuous spot. You can't even see it unless you really look deep in there. See it? Yeah, see it? There you go. Open it up one more time. I know the refrigerator needs to be cleaned. It's another project. And there you go. Actually, these are water stains from me cleaning it. If you notice, I was cleaning it, and then stainless steel is hard to clean. There you go. Again, door closes automatically. See? Open it up, pretend no one's there. Closes automatically. I like that. Yeah, so if you like this video, subscribe to our new YouTube channel, H&M Reloaded, baby. Reloaded. Click that subscribe button, click the bell icon, click all so you never miss an upcoming video or post of ours. Okay? H&M Reloaded coming at you. Shake your neighbor's hand, guys. No more fighting in this world. We don't need it. All right? Hey, guys. Love you. Peace out. Later.